guys, today we are going to program my new remote. Just got it in the mail. It's supposed to be a factory matchup, so I'm going to show you how to get this done. It's fairly easy. So let's go out to the car. Now we're working on a Mazda. Programming for these Mazdas are pretty much all the same. There really isn't a difference unless you have one of the push button start cars. Then this programming is not going to work. So oops, I just locked it. Here is what you do. First thing we do is put the key in. Let's close the door. And you turn the key on, but not starting the car 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, should power lock. Power cycle. You hit the unlock button twice. There you have it. So now you test it. You hit unlock and lock. That's how you program the Mazda remote. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later.